John, we're looking at you through the hole. And there's Kenya. And Kenya. Oh, we're looking at you, John. That's your face right there. I can see your big fucking nose. You have a big nose, Jonathan. Oh, I dare you to come in here. Jonathan, I dare you to come in here. There's another guy.
I think that was Brendan.
He's raising his lanyard. He's raising his whip. I dare you to come in here. John, I dare you to come in here. I dare you. Who is that? I dare you to come in here, John G. I freaking dare you. I dare you. You're trying to open the door now. I dare you to come in here. There's your face. I can see your face. Your face, Johnny. I can see.
It's black.
I can see your face, John G.